What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use this Trojan bot on Telegram and how you can apply some of the best settings to your Trojan bot. And if you're not familiar with this bot, I'll provide a link in description of this bot as well. You guys can go and check it out from there. So we'll hit the start button right here, and once we hit it, here you'll see this kind of interface options given to you guys. Now to use this bot, this is our wallet address provided to us by Trojan, and this is our current balance available in this wallet. Now we need to deposit some Solana in this wallet in order to start using this Trojan bot. I have created a whole another video where I'll show you how to deposit Solana on your Trojan's wallet, and we can hit this refresh button in order to update our balance. And once we are done with that, we have completed the first step, and the next step is heading back and opening up settings right here. Click on settings, and now here the first thing that you will see is this fast and turbo. This actually refers to your priority fee, and we'll set it to turbo right here. You can head over to buy settings also, and here you will find this buy slippage option, which you can edit by clicking on it. You can simply enter the amount of slippage amount that you prefer, for example 5, and it will simply update it right here. And there are also presets, buying presets right here that you can edit. For example 0.5, 1 sol. We can change their value by simply clicking on them. For example here 0.01, and now it will quickly change to 0.01. That's how you can edit these by settings. Similarly, you can head over to the sell options where you can do the same. And you might want to look at some other options as well. If you head back to settings, there is this map protection, which allows you to have protected transactions, but it will make them slower. Similarly, there is auto buy and auto sell. Now this auto buy features allow you to auto buy a token according to a set amount, but you have to paste a contract address of the token right here. Similarly, there is auto sell. And moving further, we have this confirm trades option, sell protection option. You can have details of these by swiping up. Well, these are all for just for your protection, protected transactions. Now these are the advanced settings that you can change, but the best settings are totally dependent upon your own preference. I mean, I can give you a recommendation, but again, if it's not useful to you, it doesn't matter. So your preference, your settings, that's the best thing that you can do. The other thing is that you understand these settings and use them according to your advantage. Well, with that, the video comes to an end. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.